Hello, friends. It's Kelly back with another layout. This is the sketch that I'm using today for day 5. It was created by Lisa Sikorsky. I am. This is Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, part 10. This is the 10th time we've done this. So I'm just going through some of my new products that I just got and thought would look good with this photo of my husband and his buddies that were visiting from out of town. Well, one of them was. And so this is just a photo of them hanging out and us, well, them reminiscing and telling stories about their childhood because they all grew up together and all went to school together. And so it was a fun night, and it was enjoyable to hear all the stories. So I am going to use a lot of pattern paper on this layout. Yeah, there's a my husband, when he saw it, he goes, there's a lot going on here. It's like, yes, there is a lot going on here. So he loved it, but it's just funny the things that he notices. But I'm like, yeah, there was a lot going on in this photo and this layout. So I am using this teal cardstock here, as well as these all come from different kits, different manufacturers. This is a page kit that I created, and I loved this teal color that it kind of just goes with that striped paper. And there's a lot of gray in the photo, so I used gray. These are all a lot of this comes from Photo Play. I can't remember the other ones. Bro and Co. I think is one of them, from Simple Stories. I can't remember. Echo Park. There's just a whole lot of different manufacturers going on here. So I went ahead because I decided I wanted to use a piece of that to layer under the photos. So I just gutted a small piece from this, and I'm just going to go ahead and get these layered up. And I like how that looks. I used that navy blue to kind of offset, to give it a little definition from that gray plaid on the bottom, just because there's a lot of similar colors there. So that navy blue serves to give it a little separation. So I'm adding some layers under my photos here, and I stuck fairly closely to the sketch on this one. I was trying to do the best I could to follow the sketch, and I ran out of ATG tape and had to go and refill that. And here I'm attempting to use my T-square ruler, which I really don't ever think that helps me, but for some reason makes me feel better if I get it out and at least it looks a little bit straight, because I'm looking at it now and it still looks a little bit crooked. But a part of that is, I think, the diagonal kind of messes with my eye, so I'm like, is it straight? I can't really tell. So I had this thicker set from Vicky Booten, I believe, and it's called I'm going to use the pre-made title, Stories of Us, because I thought that was perfect for this photo of these guys getting together telling all their stories. And if their mothers knew some of the stuff that they did, I'm like, oh my goodness, you guys were crazy. But they are a hoot together. So I got these new film strip embellishments from 49 and Market, and I'm in love with them. I got several different colors. I showed them at the very beginning, and I got the tickets, and I got some matching rub-ons. But they are going to be very useful, and I could see me getting to use a lot of them. So I had pulled some of these, some embellishments from, these are from Cocoa Vanilla over here on the right, the 3 circle elements I'm using, and that ticket stub. And then I pulled that chipboard set, and I knew that I wanted to use that big camera. And so, yeah, I'm just going to tuck and layer some of those Cocoa Vanilla Studio embellishments, and I'm going to add that camera right on top there. And I like how that kind of softens the corners or all the straight lines. I like to use a circular element to kind of break up all the straight edges. And these guys were all like football players and like the big studs of the school, so like, they were legendary. The stories that they had are also legendary. And so I'm going to use some of the stars and elements from this Vicky Booten sticker set to just get, this is going to be my kind of finishing touches. And I'm going to also add some of the little dots that are on this thicker sheet as well, just for, like I said, my finishing touches for this layout. Yep, this is about it. Be sure to go check out all the other ladies who are participating, and gentlemen. I always say ladies, and there are gentlemen who participate in this too. So go check out everyone, all the people who are participating in this hop. There is a lot of inspiration to be had, and a lot of fun. I love seeing everybody's different takes on the same sketches. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.